Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nesthembu, and on this video we are going to talk about uMusa Mseleku. Now, uMusa Mseleku discussed the issue of umbono ukuthi ulahleke kuphi. He did not necessarily discuss it to any other wife, but he specifically addressed it to uMakhumalo to say, you understood umbono wami all along, but because ngithathe endaweni something that I said I will not do, that's when umbono ushiftile. Though uMakhumalo disputes that, but uGuy ume lapho ukuthi wena Makhumalo, you understood umbono, you were for umbono, but i-problem bekusekutheni ukuthi ngithathe endaweni yinto eshiftile from where we were. Kahle kahle they were on the same page until uMusa decided to marry Makhumalo's neighbor. With that said, bambuza ke ukuthi who's got your back. That's when he addressed ukuthi yazi mina kahle kahle ne kwa usizo lomuntu angaphandle, it's something that I never did, that I never desired, because I was able to hold my own house accountable. I was able to hold myself accountable. Hence you guys are here. You are here to help me, because at this point I feel ukuthi kuyamosheka, kuyachitheka, and I don't know ukuthi amanzi achithwa yini. Umayeni ke in his response to uMusa kule statement asishoyo sokuthi njengoba acela isizo in she alluded yokuthi because there's no elderly person kaMseleku, it is a challenge, because then they don't have somebody to go to or confide to. Remember kahle kahle kaningi kuyiwa kumacele, hey this macele umakoti na yourself. So kahle kahle there's somebody who's a leader, who's the head, that they need to go to sit down. And uMayeni said perhaps if his father was present bekuzoshintsha, yes, bekazoba sesithenjini, but bekazothatha amanye ama-decisions ahluzile based on the advice that he was going to get. His face, Musa Mseleku's face, was just annoyed at that point, and we all know ukuthi it's simply because he feels ukuthi uGok Flo did all that she could to make him the greatest man that he believes he is today. So lento yokuthi udinga ubaba wakhe akusinto ayizwisisayo. That's not the language he speaks, nor the language that he wants to affiliate with. Question was posed then to Mseleku to say, isn't it difficult to manage a house because a household yakhe inkulu? And could that be the reason why maybe his illness and also the conflict between the families? And he agreed ukuthi vele umuzi mkhulu, and it did contribute to my illness because kuningi nje, ne? But they also asked him a significant question ukuthi, sitting down now, do you think ukuthi there was a need for you to take number 5? And he was like, yes, there was a need to take number 5. And the wives were shocked at because of bekuyohlala bani eMzumbe. The wives were shocked because there's always a reason for number 5. It was because he needed more kids and this and that and that and that. And now it's because of uMzumbu yafa. But we all know ukuthi uMusa is not a stupid man. uMusa is very intelligent. How he explained of this was that if I had told them ukuthi ngizonithengela imizi, but I would have to make a plan for somebody to dwell in this house, in the yard, it was going to be a problem. But njengoba bahlala emzini yabo emihle, what was the expectation ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani eMzumbe? uMzumbe bemane ufe, bona bahleli kahle comfortably or what? Now his reasons for number 5 right now, today, on this day, is no longer additional of children and is that ukuthi uMzumbe ungafi. So this means ukuthi number 5 uMakhwela uyohlala eMzumbe till kingdom come. uMusa Mseleku ke in his rant after uMangwabe was asked ukuthi how did he feel uMusa makagula, and he said, no, he's my husband, I felt something vele, I was not happy, it was not nice, and he explained ukuthi people divorce in monogamous relationships, people have whatever, and he was saying ukuthi yena he's a man that chose ukubekezela. He's not staying in his marriages because it's always happy, gloomy or whatever, but he chose to be in these polygamy setups, and he also chose these wives. And because of that, he's not going to abandon mission simply because of it's difficult. Uyahlala nje kunzima kunjani uhleli nje uthi nje yena ukubenefitha akabenefithi kwasani, but he's going to stay in his marriage because for Umthombeni divorce is not an option, and he said it so many times, but divorce is not for me. The issue of taking care of Umusa ngisho was on the table and how people felt. And as they responded, Umusa responded to the issue of medical aid. He made it clear that Uthobile wanted to add her medical aid yakhe private, but he refused. I think also he refused because I think he can see what Uthobile was carrying a lot and it would be proper for my wife to at least breathe. But he also explained that it's because Uthobile was it's from a private company and thus it's going to be a lot of money, and he's got wives that are working for the government and should include him. Uma yena wathi uphakamisa isandla athi shh girl wena angiyifuni ibuye kuwe ngoba nje angifuni i-medical aid ngifuna kahle kahle ibhadalwe uMangwabe. Reasons known to him. Mina I feel ukuthi he wants every wife to be attached to him in one way or the other, and this attachment, a medical aid between yena no Mangwabe is going to create that bond. I don't know, guys. What do you guys see? I don't think necessarily it's about money when it comes to Umangwabe being the one that adds him to medical aid. I think it's also about the bond and the responsibility. Whatever happens, if this happens, Umangwabe uzoza. Also, maybe considering that Umangwabe is a nurse and she would know symptoms that will push him to be admitted. She would know symptoms that would push yabon ukuthi ayenze abesesibhedlele and this is what happened ku Uthando Nesthembu. I don't know ukuthi nina niyibone kanjani, but I would really love to hear what you say from the comment section down below, because iyasha i-therapy session on the table. Iyasha kuyashisa. And I'm enjoying every moment of it. But yeah, this is your girl Disebo D. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.